How to remove a plain text protecting single quote from all the selected cells in LibreOffice Calc? I've imported a CSV file having the first column to be date-time values in ISO 8601 format like for the first moment of the year 2012. Then, willing to make LibreOffice to recognize the format, as I was looking forward to plot a diagram, I've selected the column, chosen, format cells ... and entered the custom time format as and this seems to work if I edit a cell to remove a hidden single quote from its beginning, which serves to protect a cell content from being interpreted, as all the newly formatted cells now store values like. Note the single quote, it is only visible when you edit a particular cell. And I am to do so for all the cells in the column. How can I automate this? Update, I've already found a solution for the particular case of mine. It helps to set a column format to time in the CSV import dialog. But I am still curious, how could this be done in case I wouldn't have the original CSV data file to import but only the odds file with the data already imported without the format specified at the import time?
You can remove the leading single quote, which actually isn't part of the string in the cell, using a regex-based search and replace. Search for all characters between the start and end of the string, $. Replace with match and amp.
From the Data menu, choose Text to Columns.
To clarify and paraphrase what SXC731 has said. When you download an Excel file from the net and open it in LibreCalc, the numeric columns can have a single quote in front, so they are regarded as text. No formulas or numeric operations will work on the column. But Format menu/cells still shows it as number. This is misleading. To convert it to actual numbers, select the column by clicking its header. This is important. Otherwise the menu item in the next step will be disabled. 2. Click Data menu/Text to Columns option. 3. In the resulting dialog box, Field/Column Type drop-down box will be initially empty. This is probably a bug. To populate it, click the header standard in the mini spreadsheet displayed below it. Now the column type drop-down will be populated. 4. Select Standard as the column type. Now the numbers in the column will be treated as numbers, and not as text.
This problem with the single quote mark still exists in LibreCalc. I tested both solutions and they work. Text to columns is probably the easiest to remember. Data and GT, text to columns in GT. Make sure the settings do not actually split the data, then click OK, done. Search and replace might be good if you need to get rid of the leading single quote indicator in the entire sheet. Edit in GT, find and replace in GT. Make sure regular expressions is selected, then search for and replace with an amp, done. You do not need the $& characters to indicate the start and end of the string. The dot, which means any character, and the asterisk, which means 0 or more times, does the trick. But be careful, removing the text flag opens up your data to auto-reinterpretation. In my experience, at least with Excel, this leads to data corruption, as it is often not correctly predicted which data should be reformatted and how.
you want to support channel, please consider subscribing.